Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add spiral in animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to add a spiral in animation. Select any object. Then go to the animation menu. Select the drop down menu. We can see here many animation but not available the spiral in. Select the more effect and we can see here many animation. Now you find and select the spiral in. Then click OK. Then select another object and add the same animation. Now we want to see the two animation at once. Select the preview option and we can see here we added spiral animation easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.